In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design modern burger poster in Canva. Open Canva and start with a poster template so you have the correct dimensions and layout guides. Once your canvas is ready, update the background to match a fresh, modern food vibe. If the template uses a gradient, add a new color to the gradient to fine-tune the blend. Warm tones like golden yellow or rich orange pair nicely with burger imagery, but choose colors that fit your brand. Add a text box for your headline and type your title. Switch the font to a bold, modern typeface that's easy to read from a distance. Then scale the text up so it becomes the hero of the design. Open the advanced settings for typography and adjust the line spacing so the title stacks neatly without looking cramped. Create a clear hierarchy by selecting the top line of the title and making it smaller than the second line. Now highlight the word burger and change its color so it pops. Head to Effects and add a subtle shadow to the title. Adjust the shadow's direction and offset to give depth without making it muddy, and set the shadow color so it supports your palette. Often a darker, slightly saturated tone works best. Upload a high-quality burger photo and bring it to the front so it sits above the background and text as needed. Resize it to anchor the composition and position it in the center using Canva's alignment guides. Duplicate the burger image, flip the copy vertically and move it toward the bottom to create a soft reflection effect. Lower the transparency of this flipped image significantly and nudge its size and position until it feels natural. Then send this reflected layer behind so the main burger remains dominant. Enhance the design with a few graphic elements. Add accents that support the food theme. For example, a dripping cheese element adds energy and flavor cues. Adjust and reposition elements until they balance with the title and image. If you want extra detail, sprinkle in a few more elements, but keep them secondary. Continue refining the layout. Align edges, space items evenly, and keep visual flow in mind. Before wrapping up, make sure your title stays crystal clear. If any element competes with it, move that element behind the text and reduce its transparency so the headline remains the focus. With those final tweaks, your modern burger poster is bold, appetizing, and ready to grab attention.